So you're scrolling through Pinterest, you're looking for inspiration, for ideas, maybe for that little hit of satisfaction that comes from seeing a perfectly organized space or imagining a dream vacation. But what if I told you that most people who try to turn that scrolling time into actual money, well, they end up staring at this. Pauses, a dashboard showing $0, zero commissions, and honestly, a whole lot of wasted effort. Let's be real. The old way of just spamming your affiliate links all over Pinterest is completely dead in 2026. Not only does it not work, it's actually a fast track to getting your account banned. But what if there was a new blueprint? A proven step-by-step system that could take you from getting Amazon's official approval to designing beautiful, clickable pins that actually earn you money while you sleep. Well, stick around, because I'm not just giving you a few tips. I'm handing you the complete 2026 playbook for making Amazon affiliate marketing on Pinterest work, even if you're starting from absolute scratch. So, why Pinterest? Why not throw your energy into Instagram, TikTok, or something else? The answer is simple, and honestly, it's the most important thing you need to grasp. Pinterest is not social media. It is, in fact, a visual search engine. Think about it, you go to Instagram to see what your friends did last weekend, but you go to Pinterest to plan your future. You're searching for things like small apartment organization hacks, budget travel essentials for Europe, or healthy meal prep ideas. You are actively looking for solutions, and you show up ready to take action. In fact, a huge majority of weekly pinners, over 80%, have made a purchase based on pins they've discovered. And the best part? An Instagram post is old news in 24 hours. But a well-made pin can keep showing up in search results and driving traffic for months, even years. This creates a compounding effect, a true set-it-and-forget-it passive income stream. That's the power we're tapping into. All right, let's get you set up. It's not as complicated as you think. You just need 3 things. First, a Pinterest business account. This is 100% free and takes about 5 minutes to set up. It's non-negotiable because it unlocks your analytics and other professional tools. When you set it up, write a clear, keyword-rich bio that describes your niche, like home organization tips or budget travel hacks. Second, and this is where most beginners get stuck, you need a simple online presence. For the Amazon Associates program, this means a basic website or blog. Now, don't panic, this doesn't need to be some complex, expensive project. You can use a free platform like Google Sites to create a few articles. Before you even apply to Amazon, just write 3 to 5 simple, helpful posts related to your niche. For example, 5 must-have gadgets for your college dorm. Amazon needs to see that you have a home base for your content where you're adding real value. Third, you need to apply for an Amazon Associates account. This is Amazon's official affiliate program, and it's also free. You'll go to their affiliate site, sign up, and provide the URL to that simple website you just made. Approval is usually fast, but here's the catch. Once you're in, you're on probation. You have 180 days to make at least 3 qualifying sales, or they can close your account. This is why having that website is so important. It gives you a stable place to send traffic and lock in those first few sales. Okay, having the accounts is one thing, but honestly, making money is all about strategy. That begins with picking the right niche and the right products. A winning niche has a few key ingredients. You're genuinely interested in it, it has plenty of products on Amazon, and most importantly, people are on Pinterest actively searching for solutions within that niche. Some of the highest converting niches for 2026 are ones that solve visual problems or aspirations. Think about this. Home organization and storage. People are always looking for ways to declutter. Budget travel essentials, packing lists and travel gear are massive search topics. Kitchen gadgets and meal prep. These products solve daily headaches for millions. Personal finance for beginners. Think planners, journals and tools for saving money. Health and wellness, especially at home fitness gear and self-care items. Once you've picked your niche, your job isn't to promote random stuff, it's to find what I call pinnable products. These are products that solve a specific searchable problem. Nobody is searching for cool lamp. They're searching for best reading lamp for a small nightstand. See the difference? Your research process is simple. Go to Pinterest and start searching in your niche. See what's already popular. What problems are those pins solving? Then head to Amazon and find highly rated products that are the perfect solution. Your content becomes the bridge between the problem on Pinterest and the solution on Amazon. All right, this is where we turn ideas into clicks and commissions. A great pin has two jobs: stop the scroll and get the click. Here's the 2026 blueprint for making pins that do both. First, dimensions are everything. Your pins must be a 2:3 aspect ratio. That means 1000 by 1500 pixels. This tall vertical format takes up the most screen real estate on a phone, which is where most of your audience is. Second, your image is the hook. Ditch the boring product shots on a plain white background. You want bright, high-quality lifestyle photos that show the product in action, or even better, show the result of using it. Don't just show a storage box. Show a beautifully organized pantry that uses those boxes. You're selling the dream, not the object. Third, add a powerful text overlay. This is the 5 to 10 word headline on your pin that does the heavy lifting. Use bold, easy to read fonts and talk about the benefits. Formulas that always work are things like 5 gadgets that will change your kitchen, or the secret to a clutter-free closet. Fourth, optimize your title and description with keywords. Remember, Pinterest is a search engine. Your pin title and description should be written for a human but built for the algorithm. Naturally weave in 2 to 3 of your main keywords. For a pin about underbed storage, your description might be struggling with a small bedroom. These underbed storage organizers are a game changer for maximizing space. A perfect home organization solution for apartments and dorms. Hashtag home organization, hashtag storage hacks. Finally, here's the golden rule for 2026, your linking strategy. The safest and most effective method is linking your pin to your own website. That simple blog post you wrote. Then inside that post, you place your Amazon affiliate links in a helpful, natural way. Why? Well, first, it's what Amazon and Pinterest prefer. Firing traffic directly from Pinterest to an Amazon product can look spammy. Second, it builds trust. A person who reads your helpful Top 5 Packing Cubes article is far more likely to trust your recommendation and click your link than someone just dumped on an Amazon page with no context. For a long-term business, your own content hub is the undisputed champion. I want you to succeed, so I have to warn you about the traps that cause most beginners to quit. Avoid these at all costs. The first trap is giving up too soon. A pin doesn't go viral overnight. It can take weeks for Pinterest's algorithm to understand your pin and start showing it to the right people. You have to give your strategy at least 90 days to see real traction. The second trap is inconsistency. Pinning 20 times in one day and then disappearing for a month is a recipe for failure. A steady, sustainable schedule of 3 to 5 quality pins per day is infinitely better. Consistency beats cramming every single time. The third is using ugly, low-quality images. Pinterest is a visual platform. Dark, blurry, or boring images will get scrolled past without a second thought. Take the time to create or find beautiful scroll-stopping visuals. And the final, biggest mistake is being too salesy. You are not a pushy salesperson. You are a helpful resource. Frame your content as a solution to a problem. When you genuinely help people, the commissions will follow. So let's do a quick recap. 1. Build your foundation with a Pinterest business account and a simple website. 2. Pick a searchable niche and find products that solve real problems. 3. Design stunning vertical pins with benefit-driven headlines and keyword-rich descriptions. And 4. Link your pins to your helpful website content. This is the safest, smartest long-term strategy. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a real sustainable business model that rewards patience and providing value. You have the exact playbook that is working right now in 2026. The only thing separating you from that person with the $0 dashboard is taking the first step. If this guide was helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to build your income online. And now I have a question for you. What niche are you thinking about jumping into? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one and would love to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.